So here it is, the latest money pit. Now if you missed the last video on the E24, I bought this as a barn find car which hadn't ran in, well, God knows how long. We went through pretty much everything, ignition coils, relays, crank sensors, and it actually turned out to be something that I didn't expect. The engine's ECU, which actually was only around 70 quid, so it wasn't too bad of a fix. BMWs, you can't kill them. But getting this car started is the very smallest of our worries with this thing. This 1989 635 CSI is pretty much going to need a full restoration, which I've never done before.